Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to see Facebook logged in devices. So welcome to our channel. So the first step is to make sure you have downloaded the Facebook application. Make sure you have downloaded the latest version from your Play Store if you are on Android, and from your App Store if you are in your iPhone. So alright, so after you have done that steps, all you have to do is open your Facebook application. So here you can see the Facebook application, open and log into your account. Alright, so here once you have logged into your account, on the right hand side you can see the three dot icons. Click over here and scroll down until you see the option for settings and privacy. So here you can see the settings and privacy. Click over here, and now all you have to do is click on settings once again. Alright, so once you have clicked on settings, here you can see the more options in account center. Click on this option and then scroll down, and over here you can see the option for password and security. Click over here, and here you can see the option for where you have logged in. So here you can see our account, and now select the account that you want to see the logged in details of. So after you have selected the account, here you can see the specific login details of the account in different devices. So here you can see we are on our mobile phone now, and here in the history you can see there was some PC, and if you want to log out, just click on log out on all devices, and now you can just select the devices that you want to log out of, and from here you can just log out from the Facebook account from those devices. So yeah, that is how you'll be able to see the logged in devices on Facebook. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you on the next one. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.